Hello guys, easy ways to make conference call. How to start an online meeting or a conference call. Turn traditional telephone communication with prospects, customers and employees into powerful tools for your business. To get started setting up an online meeting or conference call with GoToMeeting, simply follow these steps. Sign into your account. Setting up conference calls or online meeting require that you register an account with GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting offers a free 14 days trial so you can get a feel for the service before you commit to anything. Once you have an account, sign in to access your option on the My Meeting page. Schedule a meeting time. On the My Meeting page, click the Schedule button. Under the Schedule a Meeting section, a new window will open in your browser. Use the available option to select a date and time for the conference call and designate whether the meeting will be recurring. If you have attendance across different time zone, make sure that you set your meeting for time that work well for everyone. We recommended Thursday at 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. From the same window, click the Audio tab to access your audio options. From here you can select whether to use your computer built-in audio such as microphone and speakers or use your own conference call service. GoToMeeting also provide long distance and toll-free numbers options as well as the Call Me feature. Step permissions and passwords. There are two other tabs you can access in this window. Co-organize and password. From the co-organize tab, you can design whether anyone else involved in the call should have the same permission as the host, allowing them to direct and control the call from their own computer. And if you like an extra layer of security, you can set a password via the password tab and then send the password information to your attendants.